Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to Heart Designs and Crafts. Today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to put together this super cute Christmas card. Now this is the free November SVG, so you can find the link to that in the comments below. Once you've grabbed the SVG, join me for the tutorial and we'll put it together and you can make this great Christmas card you can give your family or friends. So once you click on the link, it'll take you to this website, and here is your free November SVG. If you click add to cart, brings up the cart there. It's zero price because you get it for free this month, and click on checkout, and then it's just a matter of complete order. Now as you can see, the order's complete. Download now. If you click that, that will then download the file onto your computer, which you can open and bring into Design Space. Once you've downloaded your file, you just open it in Design Space and add it to your canvas. Now this card comes as a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter square. My card that I want to add this to is actually 14, just over 14 centimeters squared. So I will just change the size. There we go. So as you can see, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. And if we ungroup them, see all the layers, and there they are. So then it's just a matter of choosing your colored card that you'd like to cut them out of. I'm going to stick with the colors that I've got here: white, green, and 2 different kinds of red. And then we'll press make it. Now that will pop all of your colors onto their different mats. And then it's just a matter of sending it to your Cricut to cut. When we go to continue, once it finds your machine, you get to set your base material. I highly recommend you cut it using the cardstock for intricate cuts. It just makes 2 passes over and it just makes the cuts so much smoother. And then we push the button on our Cricut and off we go. So here's all 5 layers that I have cut out. Now I'm just going to pop this together. A few things I've got to do this with. I've got like a 6mm double-sided tape. I've got a 6mm foam tape as well because I want to give it a bit of dimension. And I've also got this glue pen. Now this is the first time I've used this, so we're doing it together. I don't know how it works, but I've been told it's very good, so we'll have a go and see how it works. So I'll start with the bottom 2 layers first, because I'm just going to glue this onto here with no dimension whatsoever. So we'll use this trusty little glue pen. Let's see how we go. To push the end in a bit. Seems to be working okay. Apparently it dries clear, so that's always good. There we go. Now so that I get the corners correct, I just like to use a frame. So if we pop that in there like that, then we're going to get our edges correct. So I'll just put it on there, fit it in perfectly. Make sure I've got the the edge. Okay. There we go. Okay, so for this next layer, the Christmas tree on top, I think I want to give it a little bit of dimension, so I might use the foam tape. So we'll pop that around the edges. Always lose your scissors. There they are. So just pop this on the top here. Let's see. That should be okay. Might put a little bit in the middle as well. I do have a thinner foam tape. This one is only 3mm, so I might use some of this just around the edges. Now the fun part, taking all the backs off. This is where your trusty Cricut tool comes in handy. So now this is where this will come in very handy. So I can line it up into a very proper place. There we go. Perfect. That just gives that a little bit more dimension. Okay. Now with the green layer next, I just want to stick that straight on. So we'll use our trusty glue pen again. Gotta push the end in and squeeze a little bit. Seems to be pretty easy to use. Okay. As you can see, I'm not a very neat crafter. I like to make a mess. There we go. Pop that one on there like that. That's that one done. Now, I think I want a bit of dimension when it comes to this one, so we'll go to our trusty double-sided tape again. Oops, as you can see, I also don't measure. Let's try more measuring this time. I'm married to an engineer. You would think that I would be more of a measurer, but I'll let him do that. Now, usually I'm a bit more stingy with my tape than this. I'll just stick little pieces, but today just got a new roll, so why not use it, right? There we go. Okay, trusty tool again to pull off these. There we go. It's all stuck there. Now we'll use our trusty frame again. Just make sure this sticks right, because it's very sticky. So pop it into the corner first without it sticking to it. And then just drop it down. There we go. Perfect. And there you go. Now, that's not completely finished because it's not a card, it's just a square. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it onto a card. So I just did a bit of quick clean up, as you do. It is so much easier to work with a clean space. So I have just a card here that is just blank. So what I'm going to do is stick this onto the top, and that will be our Christmas card all done. I think I'll use the trusty glue pen. Perfect. Now this card is slightly bigger than this, so there's going to be a little border around, so I just need to use my eye to make it centered, which is pretty good. Bit of a push down there, and voila! Beautiful Christmas card with a bit of dimension. The frame, it looks like it's framed. There we go, open it up, write your Christmas card, messages in there, and there you go. This is the free November file. You can grab this SVG in the link in the comments below. There's also, I've created 2 other ones as well, so there's a set of 3 of the Christmas cards, the Christmas trees. If you'd like to purchase those, you can. I'll put the link of that one down below as well. So thanks for crafting with me today. This is a cute little Christmas card that is done. So if you want to grab the free file, grab that in the comments below. And there we go. Hey, so thanks for joining me while we made this super cute card together. If you're a messy crafter like me, why don't you leave me a comment? I'd love to bond with you. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. It was super fun crafting together. Don't forget, you can grab the link to this free SVG for the month of November in the comments below. If you do make it, please let me know. I would love to see it. Leave a comment, send me an email, anything. I would love to just see what you have created. So it's not long before Christmas, so get those Christmas crafts going, and we'll see you next time. Have a crafty week.